Okay, today's project is replacing a automatic ice maker on this double door Whirlpool. It's a Whirlpool Gold refrigerator freezer. So we're going to replace this bad boy here with a new one. This one has stopped operating. You can see it. First thing we'll do is turn off the mechanism to it. It's actually there it is. It's flashing now. It's a optic system that locates the ice in this bend here and knows when to stop making ice. Okay, first thing we're going to do is remove this door. So, take that out, clips, and we'll be able to get to the ice maker. There's a electrical plug we need to remove. This ice maker will slide out of this device here like so. And then there's this clip that I'm going to use. I'm going to use a hairdryer to heat up, make it a little easier to remove. Take this and it should unclip. Okay, and we'll have to work on this. We'll need to remove this device and add it to the new ice maker. Okay, now we have the ice maker out in the shop. The old unit, the new unit. Most of the time, save yourself a few bucks anyway. The new units will not come with this tray or slide assembly. They also come, equipped with this, which we will not be using because of that optic system. So the first thing we'll need to do is remove this slide system, which there's 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter-inch nuts, and what we'll do is install that onto this unit, and then it'll be ready to go back in. Okay, we've got the slide assembly off, and I wanted to just show this harness. You have to remove this back cover to get to this clip that will hold this harness. Just to depress it to slide the connection out like so. Okay, and then we'll be doing the complete opposite here. Well, actually I won't need to. We're going to go here. And this will go through this device that way. I'm going to go ahead and install a new one since we have one. Continuing, we've installed, still have the 4 quarter-inch nuts, by the way, the slide mechanism on to the new ice maker, and we'll snug up these Actually, it was just 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and there we have it. So we've got the new unit ready to be installed, replacing the old unit. It just quit operating. It was not functioning any longer. So now we'll be bringing this back out into the house and reinstalling that into the freezer section. Okay, we're back in the house, and now it's just a matter of reinstalling the ice maker into the tray arrangement. It will go in like this. Plug goes into here, slides in. Still have it turned off. It only can go one way. Plugged in. Slides in. This will be where the water will dispense. Put it to the on position. We'll put the door back on. Be careful, with those plastic clips. Don't force anything, it'll pop right back in. And it's communicating. Let's see. It should stay illuminated. So the optic system is working. And now give us about an hour, 2 hours, and we should begin to make ice. Okay, now it's been about almost 2 hours, and ice maker is up and running. You can see ice cube that's gotten kicked out. It just hadn't fallen into the ice receptacle, but we are in business. So again, hopefully this helps anyone who is has a project like this. You can save yourself some bucks. I would figure a few $100s to do it yourself. It's pretty simple. All right, thanks for watching.